for the land that has drunk the rain that often falls on it, and produces a crop useful for those for whose sake it is cultivated, receives a blessing from God. Hello, Kindred Spirits. More and more I want my medicine cabinet to be my kitchen. And today my kitchen is my apothecary. I'm preparing my own remedies. I'm making cough syrup today along with some antiviral colloidal silver. I've dehydrated some turkey tail mushrooms to turn into supplements. And I'm going to end the day with making some healthy, wonderful soup. So go grab yourself some herbal tea and join me. Hot homemade soup. Now that's my kind of medicine. I think I'm going to bring some over to my mom's. Well, thanks for stopping by the apartment homestead, where whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, we think about such things. We'll see you soon. God bless.